Arrive in style with this 2018 Kia Niro LX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 104 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, auto-shift manual transmission, Bluetooth, clock, and dash, daytime running lights and dust-sensing headlights. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.